Hey everyone, Dave here from Dave's Auto Service. I just want to remind everyone about their state inspections. Some people overlook their car needs inspection, so I just want to remind everybody of how you can read your state inspection sticker. So for example, on this vehicle here, so this is the state inspection sticker, and that's your emissions. So this expired last month, 3 meaning the month of March, and obviously the current year that we are in. So the current month we're in is April, so this would be a 4 here and there, which would mean your inspection needs to be performed by the end of the month. You can do your inspection 2 months prior to the month it's due. So if you have a 5, which is May, you can still have your state inspection done early. And even if you have a June sticker, like this vehicle here is June. But if you notice, this expired last year, 21 meaning the year. So if you have a 22 here, which would be the current year, and you have a 6, meaning the month of June, you can have your state inspection performed for this month also. Like I said, you can have it performed 2 months before the month it's due in. So I just want to pass that along to everybody. It's Saturday, calling for rain. Hopefully the rain will hold off. So I hope everyone have a good weekend. Enjoy yourself, and everyone have a happy Easter. See you all later.